Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming by. Today we are unboxing Birchbox. Yes, I have the yes side up instead of the Birchbox side because they put the shipping label on the Birchbox side. So, yes. I don't know yes to what. Yes to 5 samples for $10 a month that you prepay for 3 months. So it's a $30 charge once every 3 months. And if you would like to sign up, the link is below. And let's get in here and see what I got for samples this month. Okay, so it comes, once you open up the outer shipping box, it comes in a inner box that, I love these. Because I get all of these boxes, I end up with so many samples and things, and I have these boxes that are nice, they're sturdy, nice boxes, and I use them to separate like lipsticks and mascaras, which I just did the other day, and goodness, I gotta start using more mascara. This is a pretty box though. This one's almost pretty enough that you would leave it out on your dresser or something. So you open it up and you have your piece of paper that tells you this month's invent the reality you want to live. The future starts now. And on the back, it shows you everything we're getting, which I don't know. With Birchbox, as a rule, you get an email a few weeks before it goes out where you can be completely surprised, which is what I'm doing this month. You can pick one item that you know you're going to get, and they give you like 5 choices. Or you can pick a box that they have fully curated and they show you all 5 products that are going to be in it. I've never done that one. I have done the one where you pick one of the products because there have been products where I thought, yeah. But this month there was nothing that I thought I couldn't live without, so I thought I would go fully surprised. So let's get in here and see what I've got. The first thing that I have is Hum. Beauty starts from within. It's gummies, beauty gummies. It feels like there are 2 in here. Okay, I'm gonna need my glasses to read this finer print. Gummies with benefits. Vegan gummies for the ultimate glow. Serving size is 2 gummies and it's 20 calories. So this is a 1 serving size and it has vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid. Who knew you could eat hyaluronic acid? I won't be doing this. I, as a rule, because I take a couple of medications, don't take anything like this. But that says that it is Hum Nutrition, and a full size, which it doesn't tell me how big that is, would be $25, and it boosts your skin's moisture levels to promote a natural lit from within glow. So you eat the gummy bears and then you glow. See, that's why I don't eat the gummy bears. Okay, next we have Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. It's a nice size. Let's see what it smells like. I think I've had this before. I could always use a lift. Woo! I'm freshly cleaned today, but why not give it a little lift? Oh, it smells nice, but woo! Woo, that's powerful strong. Pretty cool though. I'll give that one a thumbs up. Let's see what it says about it. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo is full size is $25, and it is a weightless spray that has their signature Oblifica, I don't know that word, scent. It refreshes strands with rice starch, which absorb oil, boost volume, and enhance shine. It doesn't say what the full size is, but this is 0.75 ounces, so you know this isn't it. All right, what have we got next? Chlorine, smoothing and relaxing patches with soothing corn flour. Eye contour. So this is 2 eye contour packages. It says it depuffs tired eyes with these patches saturated in fast-acting botanicals that fade fine lines and dark circles. Pop in the fridge for an extra cooling effect. It says that the full size is $24. So that's okay. Next we have this big thing here that says Marcel City Tinted Cream SPF 25, and it has this little tube inside. Not much to see. Okay. It says all-in-one City Essential Tinted Cream is supercharged with antioxidants, green tea, aloe, and chamomile. It protects your skin from environmental stressors that cause dry skin, offers immediate and long-term hydrating benefits with continued use, and provides anti-dull, radiant complexion. 100% paraben and free, oil-free, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, and dermatologist tested. And this says that it's an SPF 25 that protects your complexion from pollution and harmful UV rays. And the full size is $22. Well, I will probably try this since it is a CC cream and an SPF, and it has an, oh, it says it's fair. Oh my goodness. Good for them. No safety seal. It's decently filled. Wow, it's a decent color for me too. I don't know if you can see it. I just, right there. Very nice. Not much smell, so that's nice. It rubbed in nicely. All right. We'll give that a shot. I have several samples to try, so I will put this with it. But come summer, I do like to use the ones. The one that I use doesn't have the strong an SPF, so it'll be fantastic to use then. Next, we have the Beauty Crop Lightning Crew Highlighting Cream. And this says the full size is $12. The highlighter lends a glow to the high points of your face when applied to targeted areas, or an all-over luminous look when mixed with your foundation or face cream. Let's open this up and see what we got. Okay. Oh, just popped right on out of me. It's very, I don't know if you can tell, but it is very liquidy. Woo! I cannot imagine how little of this I would have to mix in with my foundation before I looked over the top. It has got plenty of pop and shine. Ooh, yeehaw. All right. That's fun. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Natura Brazil Castana Hand Cream. This says that this rich, delicately scented hand balm softens and smooths skin while strengthening its natural moisture barrier. It leaves your hands feeling nourished and not greasy. And that the full size would be $19.50. Well, let's put this on. I just keep putting this stuff on my hands. See what it smells like. That's usually, hand creams have to be moisturizing, but they also have to smell good because, you know, hands are always right here. Oh, that's pretty. Now I'm rubbing it in with that nice highlighter, so my hands are going to be leaving little highlights everywhere. Oh, it smells very nice. It's just fresh and slightly floral, but it did make my hands very soft. Natura. It's nice though. Okay, so that's my Birchbox for this month. So we got the hand cream, the highlighting, the tinted SPF cream, the Amika Perk Up, the eye patches, and the Hum gummies for $10. That's pretty good. I mean, these are things worth trying. So that's it for my Birchbox this month. Let me know below, do you think it's worth the $10? I just ride the fence with this one. So let me know what you think in the comments below. So thanks for coming by. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you see all of my nice unboxings. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.